What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fire Llama. Today we're going to be looking at Learn to Fly 3. So this is an online computer game in which you have to fly your penguin to space. So some people have been asking me, how can you unlock all the game modes without completing the story mode first? So today I'm gonna make a YouTube video about this and show you guys. Just start the game and then just skip all the cutscenes at the beginning, and then if you click play and click new game, you can see that you only have the story mode option. All these other three options are missing. So what you need to do to get them is first go back. So you see this Learn to Fly 3 symbol here. So if you go to the 3 and click on it and hold, then you should get something that says Modes Unlocked. So once you get that, you can click play, go to new game, and there I have all the options. And I can even play these options, So, that's it for today, Learn to Fly 3. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and make sure you subscribe to our channel. And also comment down below if you want to see us make more Learn to Fly 3 vids. Thanks for watching. Bye.